Hello, I'm Jeanette at Rustic, and today I'm chatting with Julienne Adams, who is telling us a scoop on her experience in the Climate Leaders Fellowship program. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a video. So the Climate Leaders Fellowship program is a virtual program in collaboration with Stanford University Center for Deliberative Democracy. And it's for students who are passionate about taking action to reduce the impact of climate change in their local communities. It's a unique way to earn an average of 20 volunteer hours as students design and implement their own project that's going to have an impact on their communities, all while developing leadership skills and building awesome friendships with other like-minded students around the world. So let's get started. Hi, Julienne. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I am a junior at Ashland High School. I have a younger sister. Her name is Raquel. She's 14. I have a dog and parents who I love very much. I have been dancing my whole life. I went to a small Waldorf school for first through 8th grade, even kindergarten as well. So I'm still kind of adjusting to the public school experience with COVID. I have a group of amazing close friends. I am passionate about climate change and changing our world for the better and just really making an impact in the ways that I can.
In your own words, what was the Climate Leaders Fellowship program?
So the Climate Fellowship was an amazing experience. We got to meet, I think, 4 times over Zoom. There were some great facilitators, and they helped us each create a project where we would create a materials drive of some sort to address a climate change issue in our area. People would collect like food or like toiletry supplies. I collected camping gear, or some people collected money just to help out with an issue of climate change specific to your region. And we would meet on Zoom, and then we had a chat on Discord, and we would meet with our cohort, and they would give us ideas and suggestions to help with our project, and really helped us feel like we were making a difference. And it was just great to be in a space with a bunch of like-minded teens who really wanted to help and really wanted to make change.
Tell us about your project.
So I focused on collecting camping gear for my project because in Southern Oregon and where I live, we get devastated by wildfires pretty often. In the last couple years, there was a super bad wildfire that knocked out the town directly north of us and a couple towns after that. And I have many friends who lost their houses. Everyone knows a bunch of people who were very affected by the fires. So I reached out to some connections I have who ran drives right after the fires happened that I helped out with. And I asked them what the most needed thing was for those drives. And they said camping gear, because after the fires, our area is facing a major homelessness problem. And so just providing people with camping gear and like a makeshift home for the time is the most helpful thing that people could do in that moment. So that is why I focused my drive on camping gear.
What was your favorite part of the program?
Probably meeting with the advisors and stuff. They were just all so warm and so welcoming, and it was great to see how supportive they were of this generation who like wanted to make a difference.
Do you have any advice for students wanting to make a positive impact in their communities?
Just keep pushing. Even if you think you're not going to do anything, like if you just keep pushing and you keep working hard and you keep doing good, you're going to make a positive difference. It doesn't matter if what you think you're doing is too small. Nothing is too small. Just keep pushing. I wasn't sure before this how much of a difference that I could make, but just seeing how people came together to help me just shows me that there's good in the community, and that it makes me feel that I could do something like this in the future and really make a difference and really help people, which is what I want to do in my career and with my life. So it's definitely inspiring.
Well, Julienne, I wish you the best of luck in everything. Thank you so much for chatting with us today.
Nice to meet you.
If you'd like more information on the Climate Leaders Fellowship program, then make sure to check the video description for all the details as well as the application link.